Buddhism. The path to enlightenment or an endless cycle of suffering? Buddhism, the religion most associated with peace, mindfulness, and a lot of bald guys. But there's so much more to it than just meditation and monks. With a history spanning over 2.500 years, Buddhism has shaped the world in ways most people don't even realize. Today, it's the fourth largest religion, with over 520 million followers, most of whom reside in this one circle on the map. If you're living outside this circle, chances are you might not know much about Buddhist beliefs. So, let's dive deep. What is Buddhism? Who is the Buddha? And most importantly, is life just an endless cycle of pain, suffering, and disappointment? Let's find out. Cue the intro music, which absolutely slaps. The story of the Buddha. To understand Buddhism, we first need to understand the man behind it all. Let's rewind the clock 2.500 years to around 480 BCE in what is now modern-day Nepal. Here, a prince was born, Siddhartha Gautama. His father was a powerful ruler who had one big fear: that his son wouldn't take over the throne but instead would become a spiritual leader. So, in an attempt to shield Siddhartha from life's hardships, he created a luxurious bubble around him. Think of it as the ultimate VIP experience. Checkmark lavish palaces. Checkmark the finest clothes. Checkmark unlimited feasts. Checkmark a beautiful wife. Checkmark servants carefully removing anything unpleasant from his sight. Sounds like a dream, right? Wrong. Even in all this luxury, Siddhartha felt a deep sense of dissatisfaction. He longed to understand what life was really about. So, at 29 years old, he finally ventured beyond the palace walls. And what he saw changed everything. An old man, older person, showing him the reality of aging. A sick man face with head bandage, revealing the inevitability of illness. A corpse skull, the ultimate truth of death. Cue existential crisis. Fearful. But then, Siddhartha saw something else: a homeless monk, who had renounced worldly pleasures yet seemed content. Inspired, Siddhartha left his princely life behind and embarked on a spiritual quest. For 6 years, he practiced extreme asceticism, starving himself, meditating for hours on end, and pushing his body to its limits. But instead of enlightenment, all he got was, well, really hungry. It wasn't working. Then, he had an epiphany: the middle way. Instead of extreme indulgence or extreme deprivation, true wisdom lay in balance. So, he began eating again, regained his strength, and sat under a Bodhi tree, vowing not to move until he found the truth. After days of deep meditation, he finally understood the nature of suffering, desire, and the human mind. And with that, Siddhartha Gautama became the Buddha, the awakened one. The Four Noble Truths, the foundation of Buddhism. So, what exactly did the Buddha discover? 1. Life is suffering, dukkha. Before you freak out, this doesn't mean life is all doom and gloom. The term dukkha doesn't just mean suffering, it's more like dissatisfaction. Everything in life is temporary. And when we cling to things, whether it's youth, relationships, wealth, or status, we set ourselves up for disappointment. 2. The cause of suffering is desire, tanha. We suffer because we crave things that are impermanent. We want things we don't have. We want things we have to never change. But change is the only constant. You can't catch a running stream. The harder you try to hold on, the more you suffer. 3. There is an end to suffering. Good news. Since suffering is caused by desire, we can end it by letting go. We can't control what happens, but we can control our reactions. 4. The Eightfold Path, the roadmap to enlightenment. Think of this as Buddhism's step-by-step guide to escaping suffering. It's often depicted as a wheel with 8 spokes. Railway track right view. Understand the Four Noble Truths. Railway track right thought. Replace negativity with compassion and kindness. Railway track right speech. Speak truthfully and kindly. Railway track right action. Live ethically and avoid harming others. Railway track right livelihood. Have a job that aligns with your values. Railway track right effort. Actively cultivate positive thoughts. Railway track right mindfulness. Stay present in every moment. Railway track right concentration. Train your mind through meditation. Master these, and you too can walk the path toward nirvana. Om. Karma. Reincarnation. And breaking the cycle. Karma isn't about cosmic rewards and punishments, it's simply cause and effect. Good actions lead to positive outcomes. Bad actions, not so much. Reincarnation, samsara, keeps you trapped in a cycle of rebirth, driven by desire and karma. Nirvana is not a place, it's a state of liberation where the cycle ends. The Buddha's teachings spread across Asia, evolving into different schools. Theravada, the school of the elders, focuses on scripture and sees the Buddha as a human teacher. Mahayana, the great vehicle, introduced bodhisattvas, enlightened beings who stay to help others. Vajrayana, Tibetan Buddhism, uses mantras, rituals, and deep meditation. Conclusion. What can we learn from Buddhism? Buddhism isn't about abandoning everything and becoming a monk. It's about mindfulness, balance, and finding peace in the present moment. As the Dalai Lama says, if you find that the teachings suit you, apply them to your life. If they don't, just leave them be. So, what do you think? Does Buddhism offer a path to happiness? Or is it just another philosophy? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives like this, hit like and subscribe.